Hello, welcome once again. In this video, we will see how cave material can be made. So here is a landscape where you can see there is a hole in the hill, and this hill is nothing but the cave. We will see that how we can make this kind of material and how to create the hole in this landscape. So in this footage, what you can see, we are just dragging the paintbrush and the hole is created. So this way we can create the hole or whatever you can say cave in the landscape. Please like this video if you find it informative and helpful. And yes, subscribe to our channel for more updates. Fine. So let us go to a new landscape, and we have already created a landscape material. So what we will need to duplicate whatever we have made. So we will duplicate our existing landscape layer blend material. So here I am duplicating it. So create a copy. Fine. Let me name it whole material. Okay. So both these materials are same. We will do some changes. So let me close my earlier materials. Fine. So let me open this. Okay. Early videos we have seen that how layer blend can be done. So it is exactly the same thing. So we have got 3 layers, and we have blended into with normal and diffused map, and with a node called texture coordinator we have adjusted the tilings. Fine. Now so in this material what we need to change is the blending mode. So select this, go down and change the blend mode from opaque to masked. So the moment we do it, a lot of things are getting highlighted. Again, look for landscape visibility masking. So here is this. So what you need is the landscape visibility mask, which is connected to the optical opacity mask. Great. Now the difference between, okay, let me first save it. Okay. Now let us see what is the difference. Let me open it. Okay, it's the same thing. Everything remains the same except that landscape visibility mask. Here we have added landscape visibility mask, and the blending mode is masked, and here the blending mode is opaque. Great. So this is the two difference, and we need to apply both of this material on this landscape. So let me select this landscape. So this is landscape 1. Now you go down to the detail panel. So here is the first material, landscape and the first material. So some material is already selected. Just to ensure that it is the same material, I am dragging it. And now we need another material. Go down and you will see something called landscape whole material. Here select the whole material. So what we have done, we have applied 2 materials in this landscape. Now go to the landscape mode. What you will see in the landscape mode, the 3 layers are already been made: rock, grass and sand. And we can apply, in the previous video also we have seen that you select any of these layer and you simply drag it. Let me reduce the brush size. Fine. So here I have selected the rock mode and I am simply dragging it. I am simply painting it on this landscape. If I want to select the grass or sand, whatever it is. So let me select the grass and I'm simply dragging it. So it is quite an easy thing. You simply paint it once you create these layers. So here is the sand. Okay, fine. So first we need to create the landscape with a normal material. Now we need to create the hole. To create the hole, we have to go to the sculpt mode, which is besides the manage landscape. So in the sculpt mode, what you will see is the visibility. You have to select the visibility here, and then we have to simply paint wherever we need the hole. So let me reduce the size again so that we can have a nice control. Okay, fine. So I have selected the visibility. Now let me put it here. Let me drag it. Again, you will see whenever the first time you are applying anything, it will do the calculation. So compiling shaders. So once it is complete, you can see there is a hole, and you can apply anywhere else. You are simply dragging the brush, so holes are being created. So here you create the holes, whatever the shape, whatever the size you want to have. It's very simple. So you can see this is the hole. If you can, paint the inner side also, it will simply appear as a cave. Right now it is one-sided, so that is why, you can see other side of it. So let me show you the other side, not other side of this landscape, but yes, so here is the hole. Fine, quite a simple video. That's it for this cave material. Thanks a lot.